Hello, I'm Andrew Kim, and this past summer I studied the influence of depth on herbivorous fish in Utila, Honduras. This was done with Operation Wallacea as a part of their virtual internship program. As you may be able to infer from the title, my goal was to identify a relationship between herbivorous fish abundance and the depth at which they dwelled. You may be asking yourself, why does this matter? Well, coral reefs are an extremely valuable resource as they provide for the food and income for thousands of people. They also protect coastal developments from storms by dispersing wave energy. Unfortunately, just like everything nowadays, they are under a lot of stress. This is due in part to ocean acidification and improperly managed fisheries. One key aspect of maintaining a healthy reef ecosystem are herbivorous fish. They consume the algae that would otherwise grow on the coral and block out light. Unfortunately, I was not able to travel to Utila to conduct research this year. However, I was able to sit at my computer with a tropical wallpaper and analyze data that was collected. There were 3 research sites. If you take a look at Figure 2, they were Coralview, Little Bright, and Sturchbank. Researchers conducted transects along 50-meter lengths at both 5 and 15 meters below the surface of the water, with 2 cameras in what is known as a stereo system. By analyzing the video footage from these 2 cameras using software known as Event Measure, you can look at the disparity between the 2 images and estimate the length of the fish in each video, similar to how a human eye works. This effectively allowed the researchers to record the species and estimate the size of every fish that was present along these transects. I then crunched a few numbers on both the abundance of herbivorous fish and the average biomass of the herbivorous fish, and the data suggested that there was a statistically significant difference between the 2 depths of 5 and 15 meters, with the herbivorous fish generally being more abundant at 5 than 15 meters. We can speculate that this might be due in part to the fact that they consume algae, which is photosynthetic and is going to be more abundant at shallower depths where there is more light, but we cannot conclude this. Better understanding the tendencies of herbivorous fish is extremely critical to informing more sustainable fishing and environmental policies. Doing so would hopefully reduce fishing pressure on herbivorous fish and allow for more resilient and healthy reef ecosystems. In closing, I would like to thank Mrs. Abraham for her guidance and my mentors Dan Exton and Shannon Cameron for providing further guidance with this data analysis. Thank you.